What's up, guys? It's Taylor with LeSueur Car Company. We are back with another car review. Today we'll be taking a look at the 2020 Honda Pilot. This comes with the EXL trim, so that means we get just about every single thing Honda has to offer inside and outside of this SUV. Starting up with the front grille, we get a chrome wrapped front grille, LED headlights, fog lights. Coming over to the side here, we get these two-tone alloy rims, chrome trimming around the windows as well, and this is a bigger SUV. We'll open up the trunk here in a sec, but it does come with a backup camera, automatic power lift gate, and we do get a good amount of space back here, especially with 3 rows of seating. These seats can go down to make even more space. This trunk closes automatically as well. But other than that, we do get keyless entry on this Pilot. Let's take a look at the interior. Alright guys, as for the interior, we have a ton of cool stuff to go over. Up on the steering wheel, it is leather wrapped. We get Bluetooth capabilities, voice control. We also do get cruise control, adaptive cruise control just over here on the right, and lane keep. Over to the left is where you can find your traction control, your lane departure warnings, as well as your eco mode. Front 2 windows are automatic, and then we get our trunk latch, gas cap, and hood latch just down there. Over on the screen here, we have a lot of stuff. We got navigation, rear entertainment, I'll get into that in a second. We also do have Bluetooth audio, FM, AM radios, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. So this car has just about everything up on this screen. Just below, we got dual zone AC, passenger side and driver's side. We also do have vents for these back seats, and then vents for that third row, if you can see that. These vents back here do have controls. And then we got 2 slots for headphones. We have a plug-in port, 2 charging ports, and then an HDMI. And I'll show you why you have those in a second. We also do have a Blu-ray disc player. Front 2 seats are heated. And then just below, we have a 12-volt slot and then a USB port. Just behind the gear shifter, we have a snow mode. And then in the console, it's huge. You get a set of headphones, remote control, power outlet, aux port, and USB. And then these armrests up on the front seats are pretty cool actually. They're super adjustable. So you can put it all the way down and then it just will stay in whatever position you want it to. So that's super cool. But other than that, this does come with home link on the rear view mirror and then a moonroof. Controls for that are just up front. Let's take a look at the back. Alright guys, as for the back, we get our air conditioning controls like we saw before, but we do have those headphone jacks and an HDMI. That's because we have a TV up front, right and back of the 2 front seats. Full leather interior, even this third row. And then if you couldn't see them before, we got these vents for the third row. Cup holders on both sides. And these seats are super comfortable. This leather feels great. Alright, I just want to show off this screen a little bit more. We got our navigation. The bigger touchscreen display, we get a bigger view for the navigation. And then we got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Rear entertainment. That'll be for the TV and back. And then our backup camera, I'll throw it in reverse real quick. We get a wide angle lens here. A little less wide of an angle. And then this camera will actually come straight down from the top of the tailgate. So pretty convenient there. To wrap it up guys, this is a one-owner vehicle with just over 6,000 miles. It is brand new 2020 model. It's got no damages or accidents on its Carfax report and it is in awesome condition. Under the hood we have a 3.5 liter 6-cylinder engine that gets us 19 miles per gallon in city, 27 on the highway. That is great gas mileage for a 7-seater SUV this size. We also got some really cool features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We got the moonroof in there, full leather seating, the TV, LEDs on the outside, and 2-tone alloy rims. Come on down to LeSueur Car Company and check out this new Pilot. We'll see you guys soon.